Hey everyone! You might have noticed a small change in Chrome lately, one without big headlines. Today, we're talking about what that unknown update is really doing. So what's changed? Chrome is quietly fixing notification overload. If you haven't interacted with a site in a long time and it sends too many notifications, Chrome may automatically turn off its notification permissions. Here's how it works. If a website hasn't seen you in a while and keeps sending alerts, Chrome will disable its ability to send notifications. But for websites you visit often, nothing changes. They'll keep their permissions. Why does this matter? You'll see fewer interruptions and pop-ups from sites you forgot about. It keeps your browsing experience cleaner and more focused. You still have full control. You can manually re-enable notifications anytime in Chrome's settings. To check for this update, open Settings, Privacy and AMP, Security, Site Settings, Notifications, and you'll see which sites lost permission. That's the unknown update working behind the scenes. It may be small, but it's a smart change. Fewer distractions, less clutter, and a smoother browsing experience overall. Thanks for watching. If you've noticed this update, share your thoughts below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Chrome tips and updates.